car for a little while. I was charging anyways. I'm trying to get the battery up a little bit. Might have to get a solar cell charger for it. Plug it into the battery. So the battery's on that side right there, and it's trying. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's warm up anyways. So okay, I'll take it out. It sounds much better right now. Let's see. Be careful. I end up being careful so I don't hit it. Okay, coming out the garage. Sounds much quietly. Oh, just hear this. Whoa! Sorry. That scared the Christ out of me. Sounds much better. And it sounds much quiet anyways. Just hear it. That engine started purring like a cat right now. It runs a lot more better. It runs a lot more better than I think it was, but I just have to step away a little bit because I'll turn it off and stuff. Anyways, man, it runs a lot more better. If you can't hear me, I'm right coming out again. Yep, runs a lot better. Well, it was a manifold was leaking from the manifold anyways, and it was low vacuum pressure. Now it sounds much better. This is all fixed. It's hot right here. I was running anyways. Man, it runs a lot more better. Do not open this up right here because it'll gush out anyways. It's kind of dangerous. This car don't have a radio cap right here. Cap right there. It's right over here. So it's a little different setup than most Volvos are. Man, this was my mom's car. Runs a lot better. I'll start it up again. Let's see. And I had to put it back in the garage because I don't want this thing to steal it because it's no way. Okay. Let's see, watch it. Okay. It's running. Driving anyways. The service lights go off anyways. That's good. So everything's working probably right. Let's see, shift it. Driving in the garage. It's reverse. Okay, and going in the garage. Geez, this thing is much quietly. It runs smooth. Just hear that engine purr. So I'll start it up again. I might just not. Okay, get behind that motor bolt. Turn the wheels up a little bit. It's right there. Okay. Go back. Oh, this works better. Okay. I'll put on a charger probably tonight, just charge it a little bit. I don't want to do it anymore, start it up anymore. Yes, it's a good idea. Try to put some more charge in.